I'm really sorry, sir, Srini sir and Bhargav sir, that yesterday I could not be present. I won't give any excuses. The actual reason was that I was really tired, and after 2 days of hard work, and I was like, hey, it's a Sunday, I have to make a presentation, I have to present it in a day, and I was like, no, I can't do it. And so I'm really sorry about that. And I'm here today, and I want to share my experiences. I'm a bit of myself and who I am. Okay, so firstly, when I was in school, like I guess most of the people here, I was very active. I was into my house activities. I was into assemblies. I would give speeches. I would attend, debates in mock parliament and everything. And I would do all these things, because there were people around me who would inspire me. My friends, teachers, and everyone was like, yeah, you have to do it. And there was, I guess, everyone was always pushing me to do these things. So I was into that. And after 12, board examination of 12, what happened that I could crack mains, and I was like really depressed and all that. I couldn't do it, and I could not even crack other state government exams like AEC. So I got depressed, and even my parents were not, they didn't have the belief in me, and they were like, no, you can't give a 1 year drop. You just go into this university. There's this very good program, and you can do that. So when I came here, I was like, no, the environment is not good enough. The learning environment is not there. There is no scope for me to excel. The people are not, of that high caliber that I had in my school. And I guess that really took me back. I got into a very skeptical thing, mindset. And I was like, no. I can't do this, and I won't do this because it's not good. My life is going nowhere, and all these things really helped me back. And so I guess when there was this news about that there will be a soft skills program for 4 days, even then I was very skeptical that what will 4 days do? It won't bring out any great skill in me, or it won't, progress, give me a great, develop development. So I was like, maybe I won't go, maybe I won't attend. But there was this 2 or 3 people around me, and they like really motivated me that you should go. Let's attend, let's see what happens. And if it doesn't do well, then we won't come. But let's just see what happens. So there was this first day we attended, and there were some really good moments, and there were people that I have seen, and then they were always like laid-back people or people who were not confident, and they were like speaking. I was like, okay, if this guy is doing and if this girl is doing, then why shouldn't I do? Why should not I come forward, and why should not I show what I am? So that was the first day. The second day, I guess the really good time came when we went for that communicative skills or games in the women's studies, and I was in this group. I wasn't really into, I was just sitting back, and then people there, they selected me as the leader, and you said that you be the leader, you do things. And it was a really, a point that it took me back to my school days, and I was like, okay, people still believe in me, and people, still have this confidence, and maybe I do have something that I can show it to people. And I guess that's when all my rust came off, and I was like, just like Darshana said, that I was, revived. And so I guess if even if this 4 days didn't bring, will not give me a great development, but it really showed me a path to that development. And I think that I can go to that path more faster and in a more, healthier way. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.